Hello guys, welcome to this Tech Talks video. In this video we are going to cover how to learn automation testing. This video is targeted towards people who are absolute beginners or new to software testing. This is Bakshu from Merit Pros. So let's get started. These are the topics we are going to cover in this video. First, we are going to look at important info for beginners and then some background information. Then we have key ingredients for your learning. So these are the important areas or parameters you need to consider. Then we are going to look at automation test life cycle to effectively plan your learning, and then to know exactly what to learn you need to know the automation test life cycle. Then what skills to learn and the exact order. This is really important. Based on all this, we are going to define your learning strategy. Then practice a lot. Definitely practice makes a man perfect. That is a famous quote. So practice a lot. Then at the end we are going to have conclusion and then some best tips. So stay tuned and watch till end of the video. Going further, join our YouTube family, click the subscribe button to never miss our videos and watch them first. Also like the video and comment on the video, it is really going to motivate me. Okay, so let's get started. This is our first topic. Software test automation market is rapidly growing. Every company wants to automate their testing processes as much as possible. It is an evergreen job market. Also, with the new roles like software developer in test or full stack QA or full stack tester, these are new emerging roles. The test automation role is very promising career path. So if you want to go with test automation career path, that is really good. You are in a really good direction. There is really good demand and excellent pay for automation testers. At the same time, automation role is very challenging. That's why we have this video to make the learning path easy and then step by step master the automation. Let's go forward. If you have questions like below in your mind, then don't worry, the answer is big yes. So these are the questions. I'm new to IT industry or software testing. Can I learn and master automation testing? Definitely yes. I don't have any programming background or coding background. Can I start my automation testing career? Yes. Can I switch from manual to automation testing? It is going to be a big yes. So don't worry about these questions. Don't be afraid. Software test automation is easy to learn. So if you have a good instructor, if you plan things in well, it is definitely very easy to learn and master. Then these are the key ingredients for your learning. So you need to consider all, and then you need to have them in proper portions, like mix them properly. Then definitely you're going to learn and master automation testing. First one is your dedication. You need to be self-motivated and you need to dedicate yourself to learn automation. Then second one is your grasping power. So it depends upon your ability to learn, your ability to grasp. So that is also really important one to consider. Then daily or weekly time you are spending. So how much time you are going to spend daily or weekly. So I would recommend 2 hours daily. You can stick to that schedule. Then based on that we are going to have your learning strategy. Then skills you want to learn and complexity. So some skills are really simple ones and easy to learn. Some are really complex. Then learning resources or courses you have selected and complexity. When you select a learning resource or course, then there is also associated complexity. You want to make sure that the learning resource or course is going to make the learning easy. So don't select a course or resource that is going to make learning complex. So be careful around selecting a course or resource. Then at the end of the learning, make sure that you are ready for interviews and jobs. That's the main purpose. Once you learn, you want to be ready for interviews and ready for jobs. So that's the final stage. That is the key ingredient or end result of your learning. So these 7 together makes your learning easy and step by step makes you an automation expert. Then we have automation test life cycle. You need to know about the automation test life cycle to learn automation testing properly and even to plan your learning strategy carefully. So you need to know different stages, different key areas of automation test life cycle so that you can start with automation. So I have these stages here. First one is starting the automation. So here we are going to have like automation plan, automation strategy, test cases to be automated. So these are the main ones. Then we are going to plan the automation. Planning the automation, there we are going to select a tool, then decide on the framework, decide on CI/CD setup like continuous integration, continuous testing setup, then test lab or test environment. So we are going to properly decide and define those. That's mainly planning. Then we have developing the automation. So here we are going to develop the framework, develop the test scripts. So it is all about developing. Then executing the automation. So here we are going to run the test suites, then analyze the failed test, debug. So all that is going to come here. Then after executing, we need to report. So that is our next stage. So here we are going to report the test execution, then any failed test or any bugs found. So all those we are going to report. Then after all this, we need to maintain. So any changes in the application or any new updates or changes in the automation tool, based on that we need to maintain our automation code. So all these stages together contributes to automation test life cycle. So I have 3 videos here. So go through these videos to learn more about automation test life cycle. They are must watch automation testing tutorials for beginners. So these videos are going to cover each automation test life cycle stage in detail and in depth. You can also find links for these videos in the video description. Below the video in the description, you can find these links. Then we have the main section. So what skills to learn and exact order. There are different categories of automation. It is just not like one type of automation. So we have web testing automation, API testing automation, mobile testing automation, performance testing automation, BDT testing automation, desktop testing automation. There are other areas as well, but there are different categories of automation. You may get confused with what to start. So I have the solution. Start with the most promising and industry standard one. So whatever is really promising in the industry or at the top, start with that. Then you need to learn step by step and then in the right order. You can't just go and start with any one. You need to have like the top ones defined and then go with them in the exact order step by step. I would recommend like below. Go with Selenium and Java based web testing automation. Currently this is very promising. You can also consider Selenium plus Python or Selenium plus JavaScript based web automation, but I would definitely recommend Selenium plus Java based web automation testing. That is really trending and at the top. After learning Selenium, you can consider other automation categories like API testing automation or mobile testing automation. Then exact order of learning. Let's consider Selenium plus Java automation. So if you take that, then I would recommend below order. First we have prerequisites. So definitely you need to know software testing basics, automation basics, then web technologies like HTML, CSS, XML and DOM. So these are like prerequisites. If you take a good online course or training, mostly these basics will be covered. Then definitely for automation we need a programming language, so you cannot escape that. And also don't be afraid, it's not like too hard. So if you dedicate yourself and spend time, you can easily learn a programming language. So we need to learn Java programming language. Then Selenium, the automation tool itself. So we need to learn the scripting with Selenium, how to handle different web elements with Selenium. Then we need a test management tool. So here we have TestNG, that is really popular for Selenium and Java combination. Then we need to learn build management tool. So here Maven is at top. Then we need to consider a CI/CD and CD tool. So that is like continuous integration, continuous testing, and continuous delivery. Jenkins is really popular. Then we need to also learn a version control system. So let's say GitHub. Then different frameworks like page object pattern, data driven framework, keyword driven framework, reporting framework. Then we have hybrid automation framework, that is like combination of all these frameworks together. So all these skills we need to learn. So we have different skills. Each skill is going to target an area like programming language or automation tool or test management tool or build management tool. So here I have the best ones that is really good for Selenium plus Java based automation role. Then if you research and select a good online course or training, it should cover all these above skills. So do a good research in the market, like search in the Google or search in the marketplaces, search in YouTube, whatever. Do a really thorough research online, then find a good online course or training program. Then it should cover all the above. So I have a question for you. What top automation skills do you want to learn? Take a pen and paper, think, and then decide top 5 skills. Mention in the comment section. Also write down your comments like what automation category are you going to start with. So write down in the comment section. Going forward, now based on all this, we need to decide your learning strategy. So first, let's be realistic. It's not like an expert instructor is going to find you and teach you all. No, that is not the case. You need to be self-motivated and you need to start from yourself. So once you decide what skills to learn and exact order, then find out the learning resources like books, courses, or training. You can also consider online guides, forums, conferences, meetups, and communities. So there is a vast network of learning resources available in the internet. So research that and then find out the best ones. So exactly decide on the below what skills to learn and exact order. Then learning resources or courses you have selected, and then complexity. Make sure that whatever resources or courses, they are going to reduce the learning complexity for you. They are going to make the learning path easy for you. Then dedicate 3 months time and 2 hours per day. So definitely you need 3 months time. If you are a beginner, then you need to learn programming, you need to learn automation, then you need to learn the hybrid automation framework. So dedicate 3 months time and 2 hours per day. You may miss 1 or 2 days. That happens because sometimes you may be busy with work or other activities or family time or going out for a event, whatever. You may miss 1 or 2 days, but the main thing is getting back to the daily training schedule, daily learning schedule. So get back to your normal learning schedule. Don't make the missing your habit. Don't continue missing very often. Then fastest way to learn is through an online course or online training by an expert instructor. So if you find really good online course or online training, that is really awesome. So that is the fastest way. Also make sure that you are getting premium content, lifetime access, support forum, and collaboration with other students from that program, from that enrollment. All these together like premium content, and you get that for lifetime access. Then support forum where you can clarify your queries, then collaboration and working with other students. That makes learning more effective and more interacting. Also make sure that the end result is you are ready for interviews and job. That is the main purpose of your learning. So at the end, make sure that the whole learning, the whole course is taking towards interviews and job readiness. Going further, practice a lot. This is really important. Practice makes a man perfect. That is a famous quote. So practice a lot as guided by your learning resources. You need to strictly follow the learning resources or your instructor. So first, learn a topic or feature properly, going through the videos or learning material or courseware. So learn a topic properly, then you can start practicing. So practice a lot to learn advanced and in-depth areas. Don't start practicing without learning. Like first watch the videos, watch the course, then learn the topic, then you can start practicing. If you just start practicing without learning, or if you just start practicing in a hurry, that is going to increase your learning curve. While practicing, if there are any issues or if you are stuck anywhere, try to resolve on your own to improve your debugging skills, because debugging is really important. Even if you get a job, you're going to stuck somewhere or you're going to get issues, you need to be good in overcoming those issues or those challenges. So check the courseware provided by your instructor or official help guides or support forums, or also you can search in Google, whatever. Try to overcome on your own. Try to improve your debugging skills. If you are really stuck after trying all those, then check with your instructor, check in the support forum, post a new topic like that. Then we are at the end. We are going to conclude and then have some best tips. So there are so many options and skills to learn and master automation testing. Start with industry standard tools which have best job opportunities, like Selenium plus Java based automation. Then search in the internet, do the research, select a best online course or online training with premium content, lifetime access, support forum and collaboration with other students to make learning more engaging and interactive. Then dedicate 3 months time with 2 hours per day. Also practice a lot to master the topics. You need to be self-motivated and very patient. So spend the time daily and then practice and then master the topics. Make sure that at the end you are ready for interviews and jobs. So once you have learned the automation testing, then you can update your resume and you can be ready for interviews and jobs. I will be making more videos around that soon. Okay, so we have really reached at the end. So I would say happy learning, learn today and lead tomorrow. So all the best guys for your automation career. Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics are really helpful to you. Hope this is going to start your automation career. Hope you are going to learn the automation very quickly and easily. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and comment on the video. Going further, you are going to see more videos from us to master automation testing. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye team.